Aeroplanes incoming, watch out! Let me introduce you to 3 paper aeroplanes I made earlier today. First of all, we have the basic. Then we have the basic dart. And finally, my personal favourite, the buzz. Now, I made these 3 aeroplanes by going on this website, www.foldandfly.com, and on that website it shows you about 20 different types of paper aeroplane that you can make, and it breaks it down for you so that you can see in pictures or in a video tutorial how to make each type of plane. And you're going to be using this for a science experiment, and you have a week to do this project. So here are your instructions. Visit www.foldandfly.com and have a look at the different types of paper aeroplane that you can make. Then I want you to pick any 3 types that you'd like to make yourself. Use the images and the video tutorials to help you. Once you've made your 3, I want you to look closely at them and predict and justify which one you think will fly the furthest. Next, carry out the experiment and make sure you do it in a fair way. Make sure it's a fair test. So think about, how are you going to measure the distance? How are you going to make sure that each throw is fair like the last one? And finally, write up your experiment using the science investigation template that I will put on Dojo. Happy flying, and just remember the deadline for this isn't until Friday the 27th of March at 2 p.m.